Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since filming my nail care routine, like 2 years I believe. I have changed some of my products up because of longer length, so I wanted to share my current pre-polished nail prep. I want to address that yes, my nails are yellow, they are stained from dark polish. We're going to start off with nail polish removal. I like to use the Cuticle Strength Shield. It's nourishing and helps promote healthy nails and strength with consistent use. I avoid using pure acetone on my nails. It's abrasive, drying for skin and nails, and causes nail issues. I always start by taking off top of the nail polish first, and then the back of the nail and the free edge. Once that's done, we're going to start the nail maintenance part. So cuticle removal and files and the tools I use. The nail file is not shown, but every few weeks I will file my nails down. A cuticle pusher, which is metal, for pushing back cuticles and cuticle removal and cleanup. Sally Hansen cuticle remover for removing cuticles. The Maniology glass cuticle pusher and remover for gentle cuticle removal. Today I'm using the glass tool. Easy to use and washable. It's $8 on maniology.com. First I will use slanted end for pushing back my cuticles. You can see it already working to remove them as well. Now I will use the pointed end to finish removing the cuticle. It works great. And after the cuticle removal, whether you use the Sally Hansen, whether you use the glass, the metal, whatever method you choose, go wash your hands to remove all the dead skin that's around on your hands. Now I'm going to be starting the nail treatments. So you want to cover your entire nail with treatments and base coat polish. You apply, always cap the free edge and allow each coat of polish to dry. This is the Nail Aid Cure Collection. This is the strengthener. Now that my nails are long and I want to keep them like this for now, I use a nail strengthener. This gives my nails an added layer of protection and over time will strengthen my nails. I only use this product when my nails are long because use of products like these will cause nails to become brittle and break. When you hit them on stuff, they'll break really easy. Same as if you use a nail hardener over time, same effect. If you want to use a nail growth treatment, you would apply this before this step. Now, moving on to fixing a broken nail. My thumb is broke on the side and split down the middle. I'm using the Kiss brush on glue, and this is my lazy how-to. I do have videos on how to fix a broken nail 2 other ways. So I apply 2 to 3 layers of glue over the break, front and back of the nail, letting each layer dry before applying more glue. Now, moving on to the Nail Aid Total Cure 91 treatment. This treatment is for growth, hardener, strengthener, top coat, base coat, moisturizer, thickener, ridge filler, anti-fade brightener. I really do like Nail Aid products. They are all great. This treatment works great for growth and the base coat. It is moisturizing and it is ridge filling. It's pretty thick. I like it, but I don't think it's good for brightening or strengthening, but I still like it for what it does for my nails. Now, LA Color's base coat. This is essential for long-lasting manicures. My hands are always in water. Washing dishes, hands, bathing. My manicures will last for days without chipping because of all of these steps that I take to apply my treatments, my base coats, and all of that wrote into one. Base coats can also be helpful with staining. My nails are already stained, so it doesn't help me right now. But in the future, when I use a whitening treatment, the base coat will help me with further staining. Once I'm done with all my pre-polished steps, if I am unsure what polish I'm going to use or what design I want to create, I will go ahead and use cuticle oil, which is not shown, and my hand cream. If I know what polish I'm going to wear, I would apply it before oils and creams. And this concludes my nail care routine. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more nail related content. Don't forget to check the description box and cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.